Sample problem 4. Calculate the integration of two plus 2x plus 5 dx. Note, by substitution method, at first we should simplify the integration to x2 plus 2x plus 1 plus 4 dx, which is equals to 4 plus x plus 1 with substitution x plus 1 u du dx. Our integration du 4 plus u square note the integration of the x on for a2, for example, a2 plus x2 equals to 1 on a tangent inverse x on a triangular knot. In this case, our integration du 2a square plus u square, according to this relation, 1 on second tangent inverse u on 2 plus c, and we substitute that u x plus 1, the final result for the integration 1 on second tangent inverse x plus 1 on 2 plus c.